We guide you through how to connect your mobile hotspot to a PC or laptop. First, on your iPhone, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and turn on Allow others to join, and you'll see your hotspot name and Wi-Fi password. Now, on your Windows laptop or PC, click the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right and look for your iPhone's hotspot name in the list. Select it and enter the password shown on your iPhone. If it doesn't appear, toggle your iPhone's hotspot off and back on. Or try unlocking your phone since some devices only broadcast the hotspot when the screen is active. Once connected, your PC will use your iPhone's mobile data for internet access and you're all set.